So your processor is set to reach a higher frequency which you've never experienced before, and you can attain that without overclocking your device, which is the main point of this video right here. So I had this processor, a Core i7 10th generation. So whenever I use it, even if I render, it only goes up to about 2 point something gigahertz, whereas it can go up to 4.9 gigahertz without overclock. So today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can do that on your own device, totally free, no overclocking or anything of that nature. At the end of this video, if you end up liking it, please ensure you hit the thumbs up and also share it with your friends who might find it helpful. And please make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload. Without too much further ado, let's get started with the main point of this video. These are the specs. Let me show you the specification. As you can see, it has a Core i7 10th generation CPU at 1.80 gigahertz, 2.30 gigahertz actually is the base frequency of this processor, as you can see here. And as you can see right here, even in idle mode, it goes up to 4.14 gigahertz, 4 point something gigahertz. So before that, I had to change a few settings, including the most common one, which is heading over to your battery settings. You click and open your battery settings right here, and then under power mode, you select best performance. Ensure that your PC is set to best performance, not balance, not best power efficiency. So best power efficiency ensures that it saves your battery. Balance, it balances between the battery, and best performance that is in between. And best performance, it prioritizes the performance of your PC. So yes, right here, which is why you can see it's running even in idle mode. It's actually processing a lot of stuff at the rate of 4.15, 4.22 gigahertz. So if in your case it's not so, let me show you guys how you know. You come to this start icon right here on Windows 11, you right click on it, and then you click on Task Manager, or you can just come to search and then type in Task Manager, which is this. You click to open Task Manager. After opening Task Manager, you click on the Performance tab, which is this, and you can see the speed of your PC right here. So yes, in case your computer is not running at full frequency, even when you render in Premiere Pro, so before all this, even when I'm rendering, it actually only works at about 2 point something gigahertz. So what you do is you hibernate, or you turn off your PC. So yes, you turn off the PC, and we are going to change a setting on the BIOS. Please ensure you subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload. So we're going to hibernate this PC and head right into the BIOS setting. Okay, now on your computer, what you do is you turn it on and access the BIOS by constantly pressing on the hotkey. On my PC right here is the F2, so I'm constantly pressing on F2 to access the BIOS. So as you can see, this is my BIOS setting right here. So you head over to Configuration tab and scroll down to System Performance right here, and ensure that it is set to Extreme Performance, and ensure that it's set on Extreme Performance. So normally it's on Intelligent Cooling, which prioritizes the temperature of your PC or the temperature of the processor, and not the performance. So you make sure that you set it to Extreme Performance. If you want enough of battery time, you select battery saving, so you select Extreme Performance right here. And after selecting Extreme Performance, you go back to Exit tab, and then you exit Saving Changes. So save configuration, yes. So this is all that you need to actually unlock the full speed of your PC without actually overclocking. So the first method is through your Windows settings, that is the battery setting or the performance mode. You select best performance, and from the BIOS you select extreme performance under the performance mode. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you. Please, as I said, if you end up finding this video helpful, ensure you give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might as well find it helpful as well. Please ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload. I am yours, Degs. I love you guys so much. Do have a nice day.